Hey Korbanth fans, Korbanth here. I'm going to show you how to work with the new Katarn V3. Now, the major differences between this and the last version that we had back in 2020 was that you could only open it from here, and this whole part was there was no separation, and so we had added some pieces to it so it basically works better and installs better. When you first get it, this is for the installed version. When you first get it, the easiest way is to open up this back end here, and then there's the chassis, and it is a tight fit. So going like this won't get it out. You can push your finger down inside here to give it a little bit of a push with your finger, enough so that you could pull this out. But some of these, the chassis is just a little tight. It appears that the tolerance inside this area inside here is very tight. So what happens when you can't get the chassis out? Well, the best way to do it is to undo this little piece back here and then twist off this back end. And of course, the chassis then comes out.
Let's see what this saber can do.
Yes, we will, Mr. Katarn. So you can go ahead and put this back on. Normally, some chassis you can push from this end and it'll push the chassis out enough where you can pull it out. But some of them are a little tight, so you kind of have to go in this way. And that's okay. It works out just as fine. So let's go ahead and put this thing back together. You have to line up the holes, the hole, and then you can go ahead and get this back in there. You don't have to take it out or anything else, nothing else. There's the blade retention screw. So now you can, when you put the chassis in, line up the buttons with the buttons, and there's a channel, there's a little wedge inside there that allows you so that you can't put it in wrong. If you try to put it in wrong, it's going to get stuck. So line up the buttons and just push it in this way. It'll only go in one direction. Push as far in as it'll go. Test it. The bottom button lights it on and turns it off if you hold it. Or you can turn it on and twist it. The top button changes fonts.
If it isn't the hairless harpy.
So now that you've got it in there, you can put this piece back on. You can go ahead and put in the blade. And there we go, Katarn. Third version of the product. I think it's the best of all of them so far. Love the game Dark Forces Jedi Knight, and this is his saber. Not much more complex to it than this. Have fun with it. Thanks for watching.